3 problems. 1, it's hot. 2, I have leftovers. And 3, I bought this new yukata and I have nowhere to go. So, I got to scrolling and I found this amazing recipe that of course I had to try. So let's make lemon chicken cold udon. Woo! Alright. I saw this recipe on my YouTube feed and it not only looked delicious but also super easy. First, chop the green onion that you're going to be using for garnish, and then microwave the chicken meat, ideally dark, with a splash of salt and cooking wine. I did it about 3 minutes on high and make sure it's just fully cooked. Then, I shook around the juices just for bleeps and giggles before moving it off to the side. Next, I used Chinese-style chicken stock to flavor the leftover juices because that's what we're going to be using as the sauce. You also need a little bit of Japanese soup stock, black pepper to taste, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and a good squeeze of lemon. Or 2, if you're like me and you like it extra tangy. Then pour it in a serving bowl and let it chill. We're gonna put it in the fridge until it's nice and cool. In the meantime, we chop the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Chicken is my absolute favorite meat. Meanwhile, we cook the noodles and shock them in ice. Finally, add everything together, starting with the noodles. You mix the sauce well first before adding the toppings. Honestly, while I'm doing the edit, I'm already drooling as I'm remembering how good this tasted. Garnish with green onion and just 1 egg yolk. Honestly, the yolk was the only hard part of this entire super easy recipe. And voila, you're done. I think it took a whole of like 8 minutes. Now let's eat. Itadakimasu. This is the perfect balance of chewy cold noodles and that refreshing tangy lemon and olive oil. But I forgot to add enough salt, so here we are, adding salt. Honestly, this tasted best with flaky salt added in afterwards to give it that extra crunch. Now, all 3 of my problems are solved, and I'm going to be eating this all summer long. What are your favorite summer noodle recipes? Let me know in the comments.